Stock count sheet. In this lesson we will learn how to input inventory of items for a particular classification or supplier. To proceed, click Inventory. Then click Stock count sheet. Now click Add. Date to insert adjustment is the date where you want the adjusting amount to be inserted in your stock card. By default this should be the current date. Date of physical count is the actual date when you made the inventory of your items or goods. By default this should be the current date. Division. Select the division of the items being counted. This field is required. Classification. Select the department or group or class of items you want to count. When you have selected the desired classification, click Yes when prompted with Create Count Sheet based on selected parameters. The system will now generate a list of all items under this particular classification. At this point you can now start editing the actual count of each item. If you printed a copy of this inventory count sheet and filled up the form, you can't just copy all those data in here. Click Close when you're done. So that is how to create a count sheet by classification. Now if you want to create a count sheet by supplier, let's click Add on a stock count form. Then proceed to select the desired supplier. And click Yes. And now the system will list all the items under this particular supplier. Again, you can now start editing the actual count of each item. So that is how to create a count sheet by supplier. What if you have to input the inventory of multiple items with varying classification or from various suppliers? Well, we can do that also. Simply click Add and leave the classification and supplier blank. The system at this point will prompt you to create an open count sheet. Click Yes and start typing the items in your inventory. So that is how to create an open count sheet.